Did you know about Shan Heng Long, a hairdresser so grand, named for Zhang Heng with wisdom vast as the land? Or Han Yusakus, the crocodile with guile, named for Han Yu, whose words still beguile. Cleopatra Don, a mammal with teeth so vile, was named after Egypt's queen of denial. Attenborough, graceful swimmer of Jurassic Sea so wide, honoring Attenborough with elegance in every glide.
Gastornis, herbaceous bird from ancient pottery, named for the inventor of the lead acid battery.
In ancient Portugal roamed Tarbosaurus gurney, named after the author of Dinotopia story. Same era, different region, Diplodocus, Carnegie.